I'm going to take a quick look and do a quick review on this Kohree 100-watt folding solar panel. This one is a pretty good panel. It's got some features that are really nice to it that make it work really well with the EcoFlow systems, and I'll show you here that in a second. But this is a very lightweight monocrystalline solar panel that easily fits in the back of a car, in the trunk, behind a seat, anything like that, and can be used for little basic setups like this with the EcoFlow River Max or the River Pro or other microcap size solar generators. So if you're interested in something like this, then you'll want to stick around for the short review, and hopefully you'll find it helpful. Now, like I said, the Kohree 100 is a monocrystalline solar panel. It's got an ETFE finish on here. It's got kind of a bubbly finish, and that helps, one, keep it from scratching and make it last much longer, but two, these little bumps can kind of act like magnifying lenses and increase the solar focus here on the solar panel. Now, this is one of the unique features about this Kohree 100 is this has an additional barrel port that is an 18-volt output, but it also has a 45-watt USB-C connection here and an 18-watt USB-A connection. So this whole bar right here, basically inside of it, is a mini charge controller, and that's a really cool feature that I haven't seen on any other folding solar panel like this. Normally they're on the back inside the pouch, and they usually don't have anything like a 45-watt USB-C output, so that's quite impressive. Now on the back side here, we've got two extending legs that are adjustable with the straps here. So depending on the time of year and the angle that you need, you just use this strap right here, and it makes it work no problem. And it's nice that they use this nylon right here because it's pretty slick, making it very easy to adjust, but it holds very well. And then it's got Velcro for it to stow away so it's not flopping around. And this pouch right here is just the solar cable. And this is one of the interesting things, is this is the only bifolding 100-watt solar panel that uses an XT60 cable connection, at least from all the panels that I've seen and used. So that's pretty cool. That's why I think these are mostly designed to be used with the EcoFlow units, and I definitely like the EcoFlow units. And with the color scheme that they went with and everything, I'm pretty sure they were trying to appease or wanting to work with the EcoFlow crowd and the EcoFlow company, just because everything matches with the EcoFlow pretty well. Now, as far as output goes, it hasn't been amazing. Right now, I'm getting 75 watts out of it, which puts us around a 75% efficiency. Now, we're not in a test lab figuring all this out, but we do have near perfect conditions. The sun is within its solar peak. There are no clouds at all. We're at the correct angle for this. So maybe at most we'd get 80 watts out of this panel. So it definitely puts it in the okay range for solar output. It's definitely a good option, but you want to be aware of that up front, that you're not going to get the 100 watts out of this. And it's pretty rare that you get 100 watts or 100% efficiency out of any solar panel. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you wanted to use this with a different system besides an EcoFlow, then you can get an XT60 to whatever extension or connection adapter that you need. And then you should be able to use it just fine. It's an 18-volt solar panel, just like the other bifolding 100-watt solar panels. So if it's something you're interested in, I'll have links down below. If not, no problem. But in the end, you need to get prepared. You need to have backup power. That's been one of the best investments that we've ever done for our emergency preparedness, is having backup power. Doing the right backup power allows us to have water, allows us to have heat, be able to run our security system, all of that stuff that is very important to have during an emergency or a blackout or whatever type of crazy situation. So to find out all that information, just go to poweredportablesolar.com, or you can check out the other videos here on this channel. But above all, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, leave that thumbs up and subscribe, and just make sure that you're prepared, and I'll see you guys in the next video.